Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Sunday the 28th of July 2019, and this is the weekly outlook for the cable, pound against the US dollar. And last week there was a new leader of the Conservative Party, which is Boris Johnson, and he also becomes the new Prime Minister of the UK. And following which, on the Wednesday, there was an attempt to recover to break back above 125, but it closed below that level as well, just at the weekly pivot level. Then on Thursday, once there was talk with the EU negotiator on Brexit, and it seems that Boris is taking a hardline approach, and no deal Brexit becomes a possibility as the October 31st deadline looms. So that turned bearish for the cable, and that was exacerbated with positive US data for durable goods orders on Thursday, and then advanced GDP on Friday, and that triggered a fall below the lower trend line of the triangle down to the support level near 123.80 level and near the previous swing low as well. So in the near term, cable is turning bearish, and the key event this week is the Bank of England's rate decision on Thursday, where they will likely just leave rates on hold, and any talk of any possible rate hike will have to be pushed out further into later next year. There are a couple of UK news for this week. There is the manufacturing and construction PMIs prior to the BOE announcement, but that may not cause any major reaction. So the key event will still be the Bank of England's rate decision. Coupled with prior to that, earlier in the day or early morning on Thursday, is the FOMC rate decision, where they are expected to cut rates by 25 basis points. And then on Friday, there's the US non-farm payroll report as well. So a couple of other key events that may increase the volatility for trading on the pound as well. So if you look at the weekly chart, and you can see that it was a bearish close last week with the threat of further downside movement, perhaps down to the 123 level next. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see where the breakdown from the triangle is, right to the 123.75 area. So at the moment, there are a lot of downside risk for the cable and other sterling pairs, so do be careful with trading this week. We'll follow up with Tuesday and Thursday analysis to see what the price action is throughout the week, and we'll see whether there's any possible trade setups as well. Have a good trading week then. Cheers.